It's true. I didn't mean for it to happen. I didn't want it to happen. But it did. But I have to tell you, I'm happy it did. You see, I always considered myself a pizza purist. But one evening in Studio City, California, many years ago, I tried barbecue chicken pizza for the first time, and it's a secret I've been holding on to forever. And God, I feel so much better that it's out there. Never really talked about this. I don't know why I feel such shame about it. Because I'm a pizza purist. I like cheese, I like pepperoni, and that's it, right? But every now and again, your boy wants some barbecue chicken pizza. Now, I have a lot of leftover pizza dough, so I figured, let's make it, right? So I already have my pizza dough laid out in my pan. What's different about this is that typically your barbecue chicken pizza is your regular standard circular pizza. I have my square dough, linked to that recipe in the description. So I'm gonna use this because I love this dough. It's fantastic, it's airy, it's light. And let's assemble this bad boy. I have barbecue sauce, which is, look, okay? Be honest. Some things in life, you just have to leave to the professionals. And barbecue sauce should be left to Uncle Baby Ray, all right? You're not gonna make better barbecue sauce than him. You're just not. Don't front, don't pretend like you can. You can't, all right? I had barbecue pulled chicken in Sweet Baby Ray's, some vinegar and some spices. But other than that, this is a fantastic base, and they make like 15 flavors. It's amazing, all right? Stop pretending you know how to make barbecue sauce. So first up, let's just spread it on our pizza here. I don't know why I feel such shame about barbecue chicken pizza. I shouldn't. Now this sauce is gonna have extra flavor because our chicken was cooked in here. Boom, fam. Ooh. This is super simple. I feel like I'm not teaching you anything, but I don't want to teach. You know, I want to have a conversation. I'm not a teacher. We have two cheeses that go on this traditionally. We have low moisture mozzarella and just smoked Gouda. We're just gonna eye this. Just gonna eye it, okay? The eye of the storm. We're getting out from the invisible enemy. Okay? Everybody back to work. You are the boss of your sauce. I'm excited for this. Jesus. Bang. Smoked Gouda. And we have our oven screaming hot once again at 550 degrees. It's been running for about a half hour. Ooh, ooh. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Next up to the party, chicken. Pulled barbecue chicken. It's already made. This is like my favorite day ever. Yes, queen. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I am super happy with this. It's like our fun little art project. Sometimes when you get barbecue chicken, they don't ever put a lot of chicken on it, but we're doing this boy right. I'm doing my boy right. Wash my hands. Thinly sliced red onions. Thin, thin, thin. 'Cause nothing tastes as good as skinny feels. It's not true. You gotta be right up here before you can be right on your exterior. I have to love myself before I'm capable of loving someone else. It'll come one day. It'll come. All right, I think I'm happy with that. Ooh. Yes. So now we pop this bad boy in the oven for about 15 minutes, but we're gonna watch it. Every oven's different, so keep your eye on it. All right, into the oven she goes. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes again. 15 minutes. 15 minutes, everybody! Ooh, I miss saying that. Used to say that on Worst Cooks.
Okay, 15 minutes, everybody!
Thank you, brother.
All right, and barbecue chicken pizza, as you know, or maybe you don't, has a garnish of cilantro. So we're just gonna take off some cilantro leaves here. A rough chop. A rough chop for a rustic pizza. Now we just wait. It's almost done. Oh, I forgot to remind you, please comment, like, share, subscribe, because I make videos a lot. And you should probably be hitting that notification bell as well. We should do some ASMR. You want to hear some ASMR? Do you? We're making barbecue chicken pizza inspired by Coyote Pizza Cafe in Studio City, California. It's gonna be so good. I think so. I've never made it before. There's a lot of people counting on me. Are there people counting on you? That's weird. Almost done. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Thank you for giving to the pizza. Here's the light that you made. Woo! It looks good. I think it's time to pull it. Just pull it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Jesus is Lord. How's our undercarriage look? Oh, sexy. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Ooh. Can you see? Now we're gonna top it with some cilantro. Oh yeah. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this thing. Holy shit. All right. Now let's cut her and give her a taste. And then straight down the middle. Crispy. Set her up on this rack so she stays crispy. But this is fucking gorgeous. Pardon my French. Pardon my French. Bro. All right, let's give her a taste. Cheers, kiddos. Ah. Yo! That is, when I say incredible, I mean it. It is absolutely incredible. And we did it all with leftover ingredients. Wow. Wow. If you've never had barbecue chicken pizza, do yourself a favor and try it. It's absolutely amazing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, share, subscribe. Stay safe, stay sane. Mwah.
I got straight to faces for you.